I'm gonna go get me some firewood. Nice day for it.
Mow the lawn. Time to pimp my pit.
Go and pick up my boy from school.
Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Get your camp oven upstairs. Chuck her in. Get your gear out.
In a plastic bag, chuck all your veggies.
Paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then mix them all up in the bag, real good and proper.
Trevor's secret herbs and spices. Make sure I get all that sauce.
And I don't have a wire rack for my camp oven, so I'm going to use some aluminium foil instead. Then get out your preheated camp oven. Spray it with some oil. Chuck in your roast beef. Add in your seasoned vegetables. Give it a squirt with some more oil. Add half a cup of vegetable stock. Let's get it down to the fire. Rest it down. Get some nice hot coals out. Just build a little bed there for your camp oven to sleep on. Then you want to get your oven into its hot bed. Tuck it in. And chuck 2 shovelfuls of hot coals on top. Let it sit there for an hour. Just chill out. Come back and check it. And then move it a little bit closer to the fire. Rotate it every 10 minutes. For another 40 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have never, ever tasted roast beef that tender before.
Oh my god.
Meaty ice cream. It's amazing.
It's very yummy.
So good.
The best roast beef I've ever had. He's the man cooker on the fire.
The man cooker.
The man cooker.